Hey guys, welcome to the Natural Birth Show. Today I am talking with my friend and fellow doula Tina about prenatal massages, and these will also transfer into the birthing time. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. This goes along with my podcast episode about prenatal massage. The link's below if you want it. And so we'll just get started. Tina is also trained in massage therapy. Mm-hmm. So let's say a few more times, and then we'll get started.
It works.
All right, you want me in hands and knees. You guys are going to see a lot of my booty and my back on this one, so just FYI.
But that's where labor takes place. So.
It is, and where a lot of the pregnancy discomfort takes place.
Oh, yeah.
So she's going to give us some really good tips. We got some cute stickers to mark some spots, too. So let's get going.
So a lot of discomfort comes in pregnancy within your hips and your lower back area. And so one thing that you hear a lot about in pregnancy is somebody says, oh, I have such bad sciatica pain. And sciatica pain is actually classified as like the nerve pain shooting. And what gets confused a lot is these lovely little muscles right in this general area called a piriformis. Now those are a part of sciatic pain, but when it's just the piriformis alone, it can also cause a lot of discomfort. Your body creates a lot of relaxin when you're pregnant, and so if everything kind of gets a little too soft, the instability can cause discomfort. So I went ahead and marked where the piriformis is on Rachel here with our little yellow stickers. And so when you are pregnant, what you can do to have your partner help release this is simply just kind of assume this position. I always use your elbows because your partner wants to protect their thumbs, and you can get a little bit more control and stability by using the whole elbow. What I do is I cup my hand kind of like in a C right around where the piriformis is, and then you use your elbows, and don't like try to break somebody's hip. Like you want to just gently go in and create this kind of rocking motion.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yep. And you can do this all over the booty, but this is just right now we're just talking about the piriformis. And so you can even press and hold, and that will get a muscle to relax. If you press, hold, and take a deep breath, you can normally get a muscle to relax through that position as well. So you'd always want to balance somebody out and do them on both sides. So we're going to move over here because it's always somebody's tighter on one side than they are on the other. So same thing, C shape with your hand, just to provide yourself some stability so you're not slipping around everywhere. And then just
that side's more tender.
Yeah, it's more tight. I can feel that. And the longer you do this, the more you'll be able to tell that thing. Okay, so we went ahead and moved our stickers down to these bony prominence of the pelvis. There's a lot of parts of your pelvic floor that actually attach right here. To kind of put it as simple as possible. So I'm going to teach you some ways to massage these areas in prenatal and in birth to help relieve a lot of tension. So one of the best ways to do it is simple counter pressure. You want to use this bony part of your palm right here. Just save your thumbs. And right here, and just push back into it. And if you even kind of give it like a nice little wiggle, that will help you trigger the parasympathetic nervous system and relax everything just a little bit more.
So just to be clear, the parasympathetic nervous system is the one that puts you in like la la land. Yep. Or helps you to space out.
That's where we want to be in birth. And
or so, when you're uncomfortable in pregnancy.
Yep. And so you can just just give it like a nice little jiggle and some counter pressure. Alrighty. So the next one I'm going to show you is great for partner bonding
That's always important.
Yes, and also super great relaxation.
Can't see it, but my feet are nice and flat. I'm in a good deep squat.
All right, and so she's also helping support herself on my knees right here. So this is what you'll do with your partner.
Sorry, your head's cut off a little, Tina.
I'm here. So what you can do to help somebody relax, especially prenatal, the squat is really important to help kind of soften everything and relax and really relaxing. And then what you'll do is you'll just start at the temples, and you want to go counterclockwise. And nice relaxation, very, very gentle pressure. And you can just continue to do this as they relax, or you can work down into your neck and just do a very, very gentle neck massage as well as in shoulders. Being able to place your two hands on their shoulders like this is very grounding and relaxing for anybody. And so just kind of helps everybody get into a nice safe space.
And I'm in such a deep squat that I'm not using like any leg muscles or anything. I'm just resting and relaxing in this position.
Yeah, you can't see it, but her back is resting on the couch and also on my knees.
And I can let my head hang too, huh?
Yeah.
That'll release some tension.
And if you are in the hospital environment during your birthing and you have a peanut ball, you can go ahead and sit on the peanut ball, and it's a good way to support yourself. And you can also kind of rock side to side on the peanut ball, and that rhythm will help kind of ground you and bring you back to center. So,
all right.
Yep.
Guys, I'm sorry there's background noise in this video. We have a lot of kids.
We're trying so hard to keep them quiet.
It's not working. It never works, but that's okay. All right. I do feel more relaxed even with all the kids in the background.
Yeah.
All right. So, Tina, I'm just going to stay like this. Cool. Tina, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I appreciate it. Guys, if you want, I have a Buy Me a Coffee link down below if you want to help support the channel, but please don't feel like you have to. I hate making that plug, but really I just want you guys to learn, and we want to be able to help you learn. So you can also check out my podcast. I have the Natural Birth Talk. It's linked down below too. If you want more information about massage, there's a podcast about that. And then Tina and I have another podcast about yoni steaming as well. So you can look into all of that. If you have any questions, comment below. Push that subscribe button if you want to learn more about natural birth, pregnancy, and postpartum. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!